Tree removal in Louisville, Kentucky. Last week, a homeowner in Louisville told us, "I couldn't open my garage for 2 days because a fallen branch was blocking the driveway." It wasn't even during a big storm. The tree was weak, and it gave out with no warning. That's the tough part about trees. They look steady until the moment they don't. A limb drops on a roof. Roots crack a sidewalk. Or worse, the whole trunk tips toward your house. At Tino's Tree Service, we've seen how fast small problems turn into big messes. That's why we step in before damage happens. Our team removes unsafe trees with care, and we do it the right way for your property. Here's what we offer around Louisville. Removal of dead, leaning, or storm-weakened trees. Clearing trees away from roofs, wires, and driveways. Stump removal so the space is safe and usable. Local service with honest pricing every time. A falling tree doesn't wait for your schedule. Acting early keeps your home, car, and family safe. Call Tino's Tree Service today at 502-321-9373 or visit tinosTreeService.com to get started. Don't let the next branch decide for you. Take care of your tree problem today.